You've heard this one, honey helps with coughs. Sounds like something from a fairy tale, right? Turns out, science agrees with Grandma again. Honey coats your throat. It calms that scratchy feeling. And it even fights some bacteria. Studies show honey can work better than some cough syrups, especially for mild coughs. So next time your throat's on fire, skip the chemicals. Grab a spoon of bee juice. Sweet, natural, and it works. Just don't give it to babies. Seriously, that part's important. Honey helps coughs, not infants.